Solving systems of linear equations. Word problem application. We will be looking at an application of the process of solving systems of equations. Stop this video at any point to study the steps. Charles owns 2 restaurants, Charlie's and Smart Eats. Both restaurants serve a steak dinner and a salmon dinner. The prices at both restaurants are the same. Last night, Charlie's sold 15 steak dinners and 19 salmon dinners for total sales of $737.25. At Smart Eats last night, they sold 16 steak dinners and 27 salmon dinners for total sales of $922.75. What is the price of a steak dinner and of a salmon dinner at the restaurants? The first step is to determine what we are being asked to find. We are being asked to find the price of a steak dinner and of a salmon dinner at the restaurants. So let's assign X to the price of a steak dinner and assign Y to the price of a salmon dinner. So the price of a steak dinner equals X, and the price of a salmon dinner equals Y. Now, let's set up the equations. Remember, last night, Charlie sold 15 steak dinners and 19 salmon dinners for total sales of $737.25. The total sales are calculated by taking the number of steak dinners sold times the price of a steak dinner and the number of salmon dinners sold times the price of a salmon dinner. $15x plus $19y equals $737.25. $16x plus $27y equals $922.75. So, our two equations are 15x plus 19y equals $737.25, and 16x plus 27y equals $922.75. We can eliminate the decimals by multiplying both sides of each equation by 100. Let's solve using elimination. We can make the x terms add out when we add the two equations together if we multiply the first equation by 16 and the second by minus 15. If we multiply the first equation by 16, we get 2400x plus 30,400y equals 1,179,600. If we multiply the second equation by negative 15, we get negative 2400x minus 40,500y equals negative 1,384,125. Now we will add the two equations together. We get negative 10,100y equals negative 204,525. This gives us y equals $20.25. Now, let's take the value we just found for y and plug it into one of the equations to find x. When we plug 20.25 in for y in the shown equation, we get 15x plus 384.75 equals 737.25. Solving for x, we get $23.50. So, we find that the price of a steak dinner at both restaurants is $23.50 and the price of a salmon dinner at both restaurants is $20.25.
If you liked this video, please click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click the bell.